welcome to the channel. So in honor of Black History Month and my grandmother, I decided to remake an outfit that she made for me about 20, 30 years ago. She was a seamstress. I am not yet, but she is the reason that I even have an interest in sewing. So this video will be two parts. The first one will be me making the skirt, and then the second will be me making the jacket. In both videos, we're going to start with the construction of the garment. So I cut my pattern in pieces off camera. I'm excited to show the final result, so let's get started.
So we're going to go ahead and make the darts for the right front side and then for the two back pieces. So once you have that sewn, we're going to pin the two front skirt pieces together. So we're going to sew down and stop there, leaving an opening for the slit. And now we're going to pin the two back sections together. So finding the notch. And that notch is where the zipper should end, so there is a back zipper on this skirt. So from the notch up, you want a base, and then from the notch down, you want to do a regular stitch. So like I said, at the top of the dress, you want to do a basting stitch. And then here I added a clip so I know when to stop. So right now I'm going to change my stitch length to a regular stitch and then back stitch, and then sew the length of the back skirt. For the part that we basted at the top, you want to go ahead and press that seam open.
Okay, so now that you've pressed the seam of your back pieces, you should have it open like this. Then you want to take your zipper. So with the zipper face down, you want to line the teeth up with your seam. So we're just going to line it up and make sure you're on the wrong side. Okay. And then we're going to tape it. So just line it up with that seam. I don't know if you can see it, but just line it up with your seam.
And then every few steps or so, you want to take some tape and tape it up. So go back to lining it up. And make sure you're going to stop at your notch right here. So my zipper is a little long. How do you get a long zipper? So let's go back and line it up. Alrighty, so it should look like this. And then I'm going to take a pin and put it right here where the notches are. So that's for me to stop. So I'll know when I can do it on the front that that's where I need to stop. Okay, so I can go down a little bit and cross over. So I'm going to sew down, cross over, and sew back up. So this is the right side, so we're going to sew on the right side of the fabric. Okay, so you're going to use your zipper foot to install the zipper. So you're going to start down a little bit past the zipper pull. Okay, I think that'll be good so we can get it. Maybe. And I'll go back up and I'll fix that later. So again, we want to back stitch. And we're just going to sew down. I'm going to move that a little bit out of the way. Because remember, I'm going to stop right there. I think that's good. One more. And then I'm going to pick up my presser foot and I'm just going to turn it. Place that down and stitch over it. It's okay. You're okay. And then we're going to turn it back around and sew up. And on this one, I can go up a little bit, I guess. I'm going to back stitch. And then, okay, so now that we have it like this, we can go ahead and remove the tape. So then we're going to remove, first off, we're going to cut the threads because that's bothering me. We're going to remove the basting stitch that we put in here. So remember the basting stitch that we put in to the notch. Just going to remove that. And eventually, it's going to reveal our zipper. And I would just take my time with this. I don't want to rip anything. Too bad. All right. Icy teeth. See. Okay. And then of course you want to clean this up and get all of that out of there. Let's go back up here and fix this mess we made up here. So we want to get the teeth, the pull, not the teeth, the pull if we can. If it's so kindly would come on down, please. There we go. Okay, looks like a zipper, right? Looking like a zipper. So now we just want to stitch here and here on both sides. It's gonna irritate me. Let me clean this up. So I am gonna pin it from here to here, just to make sure. And then also slide you over just a titch. I'm gonna pin it right there too. All right. So kind of keep it in line with that if I can. Where I stitched. Okay. Okay. Look at her. Look at your girl. They meet up. Okay. And then you're going to do the other side the same way. Alrighty, and there you have it. We have a zipper. Look at that. Ooh. So excited. Okay, let's move on. Now we're going to take the front facing and pin to the two back facing pieces. Okay, we're going to stitch on both sides, and then once that's sewn, we're going to lay it to the side for a second. So you should have your front piece and then your back piece. So we're going to take the front piece with right sides facing and attach the back piece, matching up our notches. So we want to sew on both sides. Okay, so now that we have our facing and skirt together, you're going to pin the facing to the skirt, matching up your notches. So once you have that sewn, you want to go ahead and press your facing to the inside. And now we're going to hem the skirt. So the pattern does say to do a catch slip, but I just decided to do a regular hem. So you want to press there and then just hem your skirt. And I didn't make any fit adjustments for the skirt. And this is the final result. So make sure you come back for part 2 to see how it looks.